Today is October 9th. It's time to bring the tropical plants indoors. The outdoor temperatures are going to be below 50 degrees Fahrenheit during night time. I'm going to save this Coleus and this Ajwain by taking the cuttings of them. We can leave the cuttings in water, overwinter them and plant them again outdoors next spring. If you want to bring the whole plant indoors, that's fine too, but I'm taking only the cuttings and save them in water. You can remove the flower heads. These cuttings, I'm going to place them in this flower vase and I will pour water. Now let's take the Ajwain cuttings. We will remove the bottom leaves. To place them in this vase.